Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to format video content in your Google Vids. So you're working on a Google Vids project. Your project scene has a video element in it. In order to format that element, you're going to want to select the video and make sure you only select the video. If there's like a border around it, this happens to have a box behind it to add color. If you have that selected, it's not going to work. You have to actually select the video. Then go to Format and over Video. If you hover over that, you'll have the option to reset the video. Resetting the video basically just acts as if you inserted that video at that moment. So it might go back to its original size and position. You can crop that video so you only see certain portions of it, or you can replace that video with a different video. And you'll notice you have a number of different sources possible that you can use to replace that video. If you do replace the video, the new video should occupy exactly the same space as the old one, so it won't insert at a bigger size than you're expecting. It should insert into this size right here, so you won't have to adjust that. And that is how you format video elements in Google Vids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.